Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, today I'm going to make you a nice, lovely stir-fried cabbage sandwich. I'm going to use some cabbage and I'm going to fry it up and make you a nice, lovely stir-fried cabbage sandwich with bread. Right here, I just cut up half of a cabbage, very small, as you can see. Right over here, I got some seasoning. Let's name out the season, guys. It's very important for you to know what I'm using to make this lovely stir-fried cabbage with. Gonna make a nice lovely sandwich. So let's name out the item we have fresh garlic, we should just cut up. Finally, I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. Right over here we got some carrot stick, as you can see, very finely chopped up. Right here we got some white onion, piece of fresh thyme, and also we got some lovely spring onion right here. Right over here we got the red, green and gold pepper. We got 1 medium-sized tomato, and right over here we got the cabbage. The boss. That's the boss. Olive oil, little pepper, little salt, and also we're gonna put a little pinch of butter inside of it. Right over here, this is the pot for your lovely, beautiful stir-fry veg which we're gonna make. Also, first of all, you need to put a little bit of oil inside of it. I'm already have my pot on. Let's put a little bit more oil in it, guys. I'm already have my pot on. First of all, let's get the carrot. That's the first thing, and put it straight inside of it like this. You're gonna start to fry it. Put a little bit more heat. Next time, guys, let the pot get a little bit hot first. Sorry, I thought my pot was really hot, but it did not. But anyway, it's really good. So we got the carrot inside of the pot at the moment, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be frying up in a bit. So right here, as you can see, it starts to fry, and you can smell that lovely scent. Yeah, lovely. So as you can see, start to fry, and I'm frying this roughly for about a minute now. So next, what you need to do is to get all of your rest of your veg, tomato, spring onion, mixed pepper, fresh thyme, and garlic. We have a little bit more of the carrot left, but that's fine. We're gonna put everything straight inside of the pot like this. Lovely and nice, guys. I wanna say, hopefully you will love this recipe. As you can see, looking so nice. Give it a nice little stir. Next, you need to get that lovely cabbage and also put it straight inside of it. Just like this. That's the cabbage. And that's what we're talking about. Little pepper and little salt. Also. And give it a nice stir. But as you can see, that looking so lovely. So as you can see right over here, a nice little stir. Just looking so lovely. I believe I got a video like this on my YouTube channel where someone asked me to make some stir-fried cabbage before for them, and I made it. But this one, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Let's put a little bit more coarse pepper and a little bit more salt, and now we're gonna put some butter. Lovely. So right here I put a nice piece of unsalted butter inside of it because we already have salt inside of it, so you can't put too much salt. But as you can see, the veg looking so lovely so far. Next, what we're gonna do, simply cover it for roughly 3 minutes. Turn on your flame a little bit low, not too high, because you don't want to burn it up. Lovely, lovely and nice. As you can see, cabbage is ready, good to go. And I'm saying you don't need it to be overcooked and really soft. You need a little chunk in it. So as you can see, this is ready like uncle, ready. Now guys, I'm gonna make you a nice lovely sandwich from this. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Guys, do not miss nothing, recipe, none at all, because remember, we have recipe coming out day by day. So enjoy the recipe then, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments, please. It's very important for Chef Ricardo, and that's where Chef Ricardo use and do his stuff. So let's make a sandwich from this now, guys. Nice. This is finished. I'm turning off my stove. I'm not gonna cook this no more because I don't want it to be soft. I want it to have a little nice little bit of chunky inside of it. When we go into the bread, you will enjoy it. So guys, subscribe to the channel. Visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk and stay tuned as we show you more. So as I can see, what I'm talking about, this is the ghetto style recipe. If you live in the ghetto and you wake up in the morning and you don't know what to eat, sometimes you can do something like this. But not only say the ghetto, the rich do also make a nice lovely sandwich like this. They don't need to even have it out of any. If you wake up in the morning, you don't have any butter, you want to have something that can make a sandwich like this, you can probably bring it to work or do something with it, guys. I'm telling you, this is the ghetto style. Simple. You're gonna cut it just like this and you're gonna bring it to work, share with your friend. Probably your manager might ask you, where you get such a nice recipe from? Just tell him that to Chef Ricardo. You saw Chef Ricardo make it and you just said, cha, I'm gonna make the same thing. I'm gonna bring it to work and I'm gonna share with my colleagues also. So guys, here it is. I'm telling you, it is a lovely, lovely, lovely sandwich. I want to say enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Program, and we have a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. Stir-fried cabbage sandwich, ghetto man style. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you very much. I want to say, you don't need, after you can use any kind of bread. Long bread, French bread, herb bread, black bread, white bread, brown bread, any kind of bread you want to use to make a sandwich. This is it, guys. Enjoy the recipe and leave your comments if you like the recipe. If you wake up in the morning, feel for something on a Sunday morning, this is really good for you. Make something really healthy and nice like this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.